ASB families, my name is Nicole Hill, this year's ASB President.
I'm Sean Murphy, the ASB Vice President.
I'm Roman Medina, the ASB Attorney General.
And I'm Noah Zalai, the ASB Secretary. And welcome to our open house video.
We hope this video helps you get a little more insight about the duties of our commissions.
I'm Noah Zalai, the ASB Secretary. And as Secretary, I'm tasked with many things. Some being keeping minutes and keeping attendance to the ASB, while keeping it overall organized.
Hey, what's up guys? As ASB Attorney General, I'm responsible for taking care of elections amongst our school clubs and councils, and I'm also responsible for helping the rest of the ASB organize all our activities and everything we partake in.
What's up guys? As the ASB Vice President, my main task is taking care of clubs. I have to make sure the club charters are taken care of, and I organize any club related events like club fair and food fair. But most importantly, I have to assist my president in everyday things and support her in everything she does to make sure that the ASB is successful. Thank you.
As the ASB President, I plan and organize all the ASB related events, which includes distributing projects to our commissions and making sure that they stay on task.
Hey Barons, my name is Kayla Tadlawi.
My name is Erica Vargas.
My name is Kelsey Brito.
My name is Jasmine Huerta.
My name is Jalen Olson.
My name is Adam DePrati.
And we're your ASB Spirit Commissioners.
If you're wondering what we as a Spirit Commission accomplish during our daily tasks, here are a few things that we can tell you about what we do.
Us Spirit Commissioners are responsible for all your Spirit weeks and days. For example, our most recent ones included Mask Off Mondays, Tacky Tours Tuesdays, and more. You'll find out more about these on our school ASB account on Instagram.
We also have really fun activities for our lunchtime for the Spirit Weeks, and with those activities we do have prizes usually, and it can either consist of spirit shirts, candy, or even a gift card, so it's really fun.
And if you want to know what chance we have, we got you. We post every Monday on the BVHS ASB Instagram.
Our main goal is to make sure everyone has a fun and memorable school year.
Good evening, parents, students, and staff. We are Student Rec.
And we are Student Rec. And as a commission, we celebrate students' birthdays.
We recognize staff, students, and teachers.
We create activities for Kindness Week.
And we try to make Bonita the best place for everyone.
Hi, I'm Olivia, and I'm the leader of the Art Commission, and I would like to introduce the new ASB Art Commission.
Hi, my name is Ashley.
Hi, I'm Isabel.
What's up? I'm Jenna.
Hi, I'm Sabrina.
I'm Francisca, and I really like to draw. That was a big part of why I wanted to be in art. Art is great for making amazing posters for assemblies, and we do digital art for ASB that promotes events for both ASB and the school. And we work to brighten your day, and we have so many projects going on that we hope that you will all enjoy. And I think Olivia is the best, and we hope you have a great rest of your day.
Hey guys, it's Colin from athletics, and one thing we do in athletics is clear athletes so they can play whichever sport they like.
Hey guys, it's Jacob from athletics. We also make copies of your physicals for both you and your coach, so you have proof that you've been cleared, so you can play the sport that you love.
What's up, Barons? In athletics, we also organize and file all of your physicals to make getting cleared for a second sport way easier.
Hi, Baron family. So part of our job as athletic commissioners is that we make JV and varsity letters for all athletes.
Hey guys, my name is Chris. And the thing we do with athletics is we look for a student athlete who excels in their sports and in the classroom, and we shout them out on the BVHS page.
Hi, my name is Kevin, and I'm part of the Finance Commission. Last year in the ASB, we had to sell things like from Snack Shack, after school store, run the registers during and after school, and lastly, take inventory for our storage.
These things have been finance's duties for previous years, but this year we have to do things a little bit differently.
And due to the certain situations going on around the world, we have to adapt our new jobs.
This year we have to find new ways to fundraise, like partnering up with a restaurant, among other things.
Even though we're not in school, we're still selling some Baron gear on our online store, so please go check it out.
We hope all of you are staying safe out there, Barons. Bye!
I'm Samantha Bionis.
And I'm Anaí Marquez.
And we are your 2020 ASB Public Relations Commission.
Our job is to put out information about upcoming school activities like fundraisers, events, or Spirit Weeks.
Normally, we would also be in charge of the marquees around the school and the morning announcements, but since we're not able to be at school right now, our main focus is to maintain school spirit on both the Instagram account and the new Bonita Vista High School ASB website.
Hey, I'm Michael.
I'm Kyle.
I'm Waverly.
I'm Pablo.
And I'm Ralph.
And we're Bonita Vista's ASB Technology Commissioners.
As Technology Commissioners, we are responsible for the digital content that the ASB releases.
Like the videos used to sponsor Spirit Weeks and other promotional videos.
Including the one you're watching right now.
We also control the sound devices and equipment, and we're the ones behind the scenes at the school functions that the ASB hosts.
Normally, I would take memorable photos of school events.
But because of the current situation, there are some new responsibilities that we have.
We made our very own website which displays Ralph's photos, important updates, a link to our online store, and more info about the ASB.
Hi, I'm Edelina Bagaporo, and I'm one of the Youth Ambassadors of Student Activities, or YASAs, here at Bonita Vista High School.
I'm Sienna, and I'm the other YASA here at Bonita.
As a YASA, we work closely with Mr. A as well as the officers to plan our virtual events.
And some of our responsibilities include making sure that student activities run smoothly and organizing fundraisers for our school.
During distance learning, I've been using my passion planner a lot more, and also setting a water schedule just to make sure I'm hydrated. Make sure you drink water.
During the quarantine, I took up some new hobbies such as tennis, just for fun, playing with my friends, and trying to eat healthy and work out more, and binge watching a lot of TV shows.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please stay safe and have a great day.